Today we are starting a new topic for class 10th, that is a pair of linear equations in two variables. Now this chapter is just extension of what we have already done in 9th class. In 9th class, just recall it, you have done the chapter linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. So what does it mean? Linear equation, simple, it's an equation. And why do we use the word linear? Linear stands for 1, means an equation whose degree is 1, or we can say here in which the highest power of the variable involved is 1. So let's take an example, 2x plus y is equal to 4. It is a linear equation because here the power is 1, here the power is 1. So highest power of the variable is 1, so it is a linear equation. And two variables, we are using the two variables x and y here. So this is a simple linear equation in two variables which you have already studied in your previous class. So let's have a quick recap of some certain terms which we have already done earlier. Now in order to find out solution of this equation means वो वैल्यूज x और y की जो इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेंगी, यानी कि वो पेयर x और y की वैल्यू का जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड को इक्वल करेगा. सो इसमें अगर मैं x की वैल्यू 0 लेती हूँ और y की वैल्यू 4 लेती हूँ, तब क्या होगा? सो वी गेट 2 into 0 plus 4 which is equal to right hand side. So here we get left hand side and right hand side both are equal. It means this is one pair. अगर मैं दूसरा पेयर लेती हूँ, सपोज मैं x लेती हूँ 1 और y लेती हूँ 2, तो LHS मेरा हो जाएगा 2 into 1 plus 2 which is again equal to 4. Now it means this pair also satisfies, this pair also satisfies. तो ये क्या हो गए, हमारे दो solutions हो गए. इसी तरह से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, we can find out infinite number of solutions for this equation. How to find it? We put value of one of the variable and put it in the equation to get the value of other variable. Like for this equation, I can write this as y is equal to 4 minus 2x, simple. And this we have done in tabular form earlier. अगर मैं x की वैल्यू 0 लेती हूँ, x अगर 0 है तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, 4 minus 2 into 0, that is 4 minus 0, 4. So when x is 0, y is 4. अगर मैं x की वैल्यू 1 लेती हूँ तो ये हो जाएगा 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2. अगर मैं x की वैल्यू 2 लेती हूँ तो हो जाएगा 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 which is equal to 0. अगर मैं वैल्यू 3 लेती हूँ तब क्या हो जाएगा, 4 minus 6 that's equal to minus 2. And you can further take negative values. Let's take minus 1. X की वैल्यू अगर minus 1 है तो it becomes 4 minus minus becomes plus, so 4 plus 2 it becomes 6. अगर मैं minus 2 लेती हूँ तब क्या हो जाएगा, minus 2 into minus 2 becomes plus 4, so 4 plus 4 it becomes 8. So you have seen x की हम different values डालते जाएंगे और y की corresponding values निकालते जाएंगे. So here all these are solutions of this equation or this equation. It means a linear equation in one variable has infinite number of solutions. और इन solutions को हमने depict भी किया था on number line and using Cartesian plane we have depicted it. If these are the two axes, say this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Sorry, this is y-axis. This is the origin 0. Here we are taking the coordinates for on x-axis. We have taken 1, 2, 3 till minus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. On y-axis we have till 8. I am taking smaller numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and let's take till 6 only. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. अब अगर मैं इन पॉइंट्स को प्लॉट करूं यहाँ पर, फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज x is 0, y is 4. x is 0, y is 4 here. x is 1, y is 2. It's somewhere here. Then x is 2, y is 0. Then x is 3, y is minus 2. Then next comes x is minus 1. y is 6. X is minus 1, y is 6 is here. Then x is minus 2, y is 8 is above this. And if I join these points, what will I get? Any guess? Yes, when I join all these points, what I get is a straight line, or we are getting a line. That's why this name linear is derived, because the graph of this depicts a line. And each point on this line is a solution of this equation, and vice versa. अगर हम यहाँ पर कोई भी point ले लें, suppose I have taken this point which is 0,4. So this is a solution of this equation. So I hope these things are clear. In 9th standard you have studied about only one equation at a time. But in 10th standard what is being added is pair. Here we will be dealing with a pair of equations, not a single equation. Pair of equations में क्या आ जाएगा? Like linear equations हमने किया था. This is an example. General form was ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. यहाँ पर क्योंकि हम पेयर से डील करेंगे तो हम इनकी दो फर्स्ट वाली इक्वेशन के कोएफिशिएंट्स ले लेते हैं. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. And second equation we are depicting by a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c3 are real numbers. Clear? So I am extending the same example. Let's take this as one of the equation. Let's take another equation. Let's take simple x plus y is equal to 2. Okay. Now if I want to draw a graph for this equation, same method is to be followed. I'll take the table. I'll put values of one of the variable and find the value of other variable. Let's say x I am transposing on the other side. So y is equal to 2 minus x. If x is 0, y is 2. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 0. So let's plot these 3 points on the graph again. X is 0, y is 2. When x is 0, y is 2 is here. X is 1, y is 1. X is 1, y is 1 is here. And the third point, x is 2, y is 0 is here. So when I draw a graph for this equation, what will I get? Again I will get a straight line. So here I am getting this line. So this represents the equation x plus y is equal to 2. And this black one was the initial equation, which was equal to 2x plus y is equal to 4. Now can you observe something? These two are intersecting at one point. This is the point where both the lines are meeting. So we can say this point 2, 0, or we can say x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0 is a solution of this equation, as you can see here and here also. So this is a common solution of these two equations. So this is what the chapter pair of linear equations deals with. We are mainly concerned with finding out solutions, simultaneously solving the two equations. We are concerned with the common solutions of the pair of equations. Pair of equations में हम दो equations के साथ deal करेंगे simultaneously. So उनमें जो common solution आएगा उस पर हमें focus करना है इस chapter में. As we have seen in this case, दो equations ली थी. First was y is equal to 4 minus 2x, which is derived from this only, and second was x plus y is equal to 2. So ये दोनों equations का हमने plot करके क्या find किया? एक common solution है. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0 is the common solution for these two. And you can see the graphical representation. They are representing a pair of intersecting lines intersecting at the point 2, 0, which gives the common solution. Let us take few more examples. First example यहाँ पर लिया है x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now first equation के ग्राफ के लिए हमारे पास है x plus y is equal to 5. So y हमारा आ जाएगा 5 minus x यहाँ से. इसका टेबल जब हम बनाएंगे तो इसमें आ जाएगा हमारे पास x की वैल्यू अगर मैं 0 डालती हूँ तो y 5 आ जाएगी. x की वैल्यू अगर मैं 2 डालती हूँ तो ये 3 हो जाएगा. x की वैल्यू अगर मैं 5 डालती हूँ तो ये 0 हो जाएगा. सेकेंड इक्वेशन 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. यहाँ से 2y हो जाएगा 10 माइनस 2x, यानी कि y की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 10 माइनस 2x अपॉन 2. अगेन लेट्स ट्राई टू ड्रॉ द टेबल. सो इन दिस केस x की वैल्यू अगर मैं 0 लेती हूं तो ये हो जाएगा 10 माइनस 0 इज 10, डिवाइड बाय 2 वी गेट 5. If I take x as 3, 2 into 3 is 6, 10 minus 6 is 4, 4 divided by 2 we get 2. Next let's take the value 5 here. If I take the value 5 here, 2 into 5 is 10, 10 minus 10 is 0, 0 by 2 is 0. So these are the tables for this. अगर हम इसका ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे तो किस टाइप का होगा, let's see. I need till 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on y-axis. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. जब भी आप ग्राफ बनाए, always show positive and negative. All the values may or may not be required, but you must show some of the values here. Okay. Now let's mark the points. For the first one is 0, 5, x is 0, y is 5, x is 2, y is 3, x is 5, y is 0. So these are the 3 points. When we join them, we get a line. And this line represents the equation. First equation, x plus y is equal to 5. Now if I take the second equation, the points are 0, 5. These are the same points. 3, 2, x is 3, y is 2, it's somewhere here. 5, 0, again it's the same point. So when I join these points, you can see here my second line is overlapping the first one. So this represents the equation. Second equation, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. अब इस केस में क्या है, कितने कॉमन पॉइंट्स हैं? These two lines are coincident, we call them. They are overlapping each other. In such case, we call them coincident lines. अब coincident lines से एक के ऊपर दूसरी overlap हो रही है, तो common points कितने हैं? ये भी common है, ये भी common है. So all the points lying on it are common. तो यानी कि अगर हम इन दोनों equations को simultaneously देखें, तो इनके common points कितने हैं? Infinite. तो कॉमन सॉल्यूशंस क्या हो गए? इनफाइनाइट. सो वी कैन से दीज इक्वेशंस हैव इनफाइनाइटली मैनी सॉल्यूशंस. क्लियर? लेट्स टेक सेकेंड एग्जांपल. x minus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. So from first equation I can say x is equal to 4 plus y, जिसके पॉइंट्स आ जाएंगे 4, 0, 6, 2 and 8, 4. And second equation, 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. I can write this as 6 plus 2y, and x further can be written as 6 plus 2y upon 2. From here we get the points 3, 0, 4, 1 and 5, 2. Let's plot these points on the graph. First is 4, 0 is here. Second is 6, 2. X is 6, y is 2. Third point is x is 8, y is 4. It's somewhere here. So we get this line. So this is the first equation, which is x minus y is equal to 4. So if I take the second line, the points are 3, 0, it is here, 4, 1, it's here, and 5, 2, it's somewhere here. So when we join these 3 points, can you see the type of lines being obtained in this case? So this is the second line, which is 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. So here we are obtaining a pair of parallel lines. And when the lines are parallel, you know there is no common point. So in this case, we have no solution. That is, no common solution is there. though each one has infinite number of solution, but here we are talking about pair of equations. So इन दोनों equations का as a pair कोई भी common solution नहीं है. So we say that this pair of equations have no solution at all. So here we have seen three cases. First one was the one in which we have unique solution, intersecting lines were there. Second one is this. Here we are having coincident lines. So infinitely many solutions are there. In this case we have parallel lines and no solution is there. So we have seen three cases, so we are going to study further about these cases, whether we can apply some conditions and check out what type of solution we are going to get or not.
We really hope that you liked our video as well as gained some useful info. We will continually post more and more interesting and informative videos in the upcoming future. So, please share our videos as much as possible. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.